Good morning, this is Javier Baez. We're here showing you the new indicator for your technical analysis. This indicator is called Elliott Waves, and it's a great indicator. As you can see, we have here the SPY, and what makes this indicator different is the fact that first it incorporates a forecasting system on the fly. It's really precise. It helps you know where the stock is going to go. For example, here on March 29th, it predicted a big jump. You see the green line here because there was a lot of intraday movement. This is based on the fact that dojis tend to show that there's indecision in the market. We also tested the system against pretty much every system we found on MetaStock. We tested this system against Adaptive Cycle Toolkit by John Ehlers, Price Headley, Big Trends Toolkit 3, Joe Duffy Scoop, Rahul Mohindar RMO, Rahul Mohindar ATM RMO, LCI Investing by Logan Connors, Performance Systems 2, JBS Jack Bernstein, Powered Pivots, Japanese Candle Pattern Recognition by Greg Morris, Trade Trend by Jeff Tompkins, Tactical Trader by Clinton Sandlich, Teach Stock Trade Trend Momentum Toolkit by Michael Rushelaw, ATS Adaptive Trading Solutions. We even created our own system based on ICE, which incorporates numerous systems including volatility, velocity, verticality, volume, also point and figure pattern systems, and my retarget, which trades, and pretty much every single system we found on MetaStock. Now, to show you how the indicator works, on March 28, we had a profit target. Let's reload this guy. We had a profit target of 290 and 27. So the profit target was achieved roughly like a month later. So what's good about this indicator is that it tells you for example, here on wave 3, it'll show you wave 3 when the wave is starting, not when the wave is ending. Therefore, you can now use Elliott Waves for your trading. Now, the profit target was 290 with 27 cents, which we hit on April 16th. The other profit target was 286 and 62 cents, which was hit here on April 8th. The entrance was predicting a high jump, and we even had a stop loss of $276.11. So you were not stopped. Here you can do your stop limit order for people that like to automate everything. And here finally on May 1st, it recommended you to get out of the stock market. Essentially, that's when all the stuff started happening with trade talks and everything. Now, we're really proud of the work that we've done. It's a tremendous amount of programming. I am an expert. You can call me a virtuoso in the world of programming. I've had a recognition from the government of the United States as one of the top programmers worldwide. I was granted an O1 visa for people with extraordinary skills. And I've been extremely happy programming using all my skills for the world of technical analysis. I'm here to help you make some money. Now, on Amazon, we're checking the daily for Amazon, and the signal was on March 27. Now, that was the beginning of the bullish wave 1. And the good thing about this indicator is that you don't have to be an expert in Elliott Waves. You just have to understand that the system is helping you put all the theory into work. Now, the stop loss one was at $1,726 and 64 cents. So here's your stop, and then you can put limit order. Actually, we'll give you two limit orders: 1,855, which was you can say it was achieved on April 16, and the other limit order was 1,910 with 74 cents, which was achieved on April 23rd. Now, you can automate the whole system, or you can see, but here's where I would start to worry about it, because the forecast, as you can see, it's showing that it could hit at this level, right? So on May 2nd, the forecast predicted that it would reach, we can actually click on the candle, and you can see that it already predicted that Amazon was going to go low. Amazon has been really volatile in the last few days. So the lowest value was 1,866 and 18 cents, which actually that happened on May 10th. So a few days before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, 7 trading days before, it actually told you, warned you that it was going to, Amazon, it was a probability it would go down. Finally, it exited on May 9th, so it had a good rally. We're also going to show how this indicator is the perfect companion that you need for selling options. Options, as you can know, it's a really good way, especially when volatility is high, but to this day we haven't had a good indicator of options. So for example, here we're going to for example, here's a good example. We had a long candle on April 26. So if you click on April 26, you would see that it has a very precise forecast. So on April 26, you had it was recommending for the people that sell iron condors or iron butterflies, it was recommending you to sell a call at $2,043.04. So it's right about here. As you can see, you would have made money there. And then it also recommended you to sell a put spread on $1,858.22, which is right about here. So you would have made money in selling an iron condor here. You see how precise it is, how it forecasts, for example, here on March 15, it kind of warns you that it could go up to this value, which is it's hitting. And it's a tremendously good software. We're going to check other stocks. For example, we're going to check Apple. Now, Apple had a strong buy signal around March. That's when the stock started rallying and started trending really nice. So the entry signal was on March 11, 2019. So if we look at the entry signal here, we will see that it has a profit target, and then the exit signal happened just like at the beginning of May. So for Apple specifically, we have on, what day is this? On March 9th, we had an entry signal. Now this was a bullish wave. I believe it's a bullish wave 1 detected. And then here we go. The stop loss is $170.25. So it'll be around here. The stop loss was never hit, and the limit order 1 is $186.76, which you reached on March 20th, and then the second limit order is $191.61. Now, based on experience, what I would recommend is, depends on your style of trading, both of these trades would be profitable. What the indicator is giving you is 2 potential profit targets, pretty much depending on your level of risk. And here it also has an exit signal on April 30, 2019. Now, as I mentioned, we tested this system against many systems, and then right now the system testing is running. So we're gonna let it run just for a few minutes, but what I want everybody to know here is that these are the last 250 bars we're trading long and short. We're analyzing exactly, multiple entries with our trade option system here on MetaStock. We have a simulated account of $450,000 with an average with a default transaction cost of $2,500. Now, I still want to show another part of this indicator. We are going to see what happens on Facebook if you were to use this indicator on Facebook. On Facebook, as you can see, we have here on this is the weekly chart for Facebook, and then we're going to start with 2017. What happened with Facebook? I know it's been a little bit of a mess, but we're going to see what the indicator told us. So at the beginning of the year, if you use the weekly time chart, you have made a good amount of money. Now, the importance about trading with different time charts is that this is for people that like to trade for a longer amount of time. Here on Facebook, you had on January 20, 2017, an entry signal which was predicting a profit target of $144 here and 89 cents. Now you would see the dollar sign where it's where after a few months of rally. Here, what it was recommended you was to take some money out of the table. And then here, this is a Elliott Wave 3. Now, this is the first indicator that I know of that can show you the Elliott wave counts as soon as they start. In other indicators, they will show you wave 3 here after 4 or 5 months after the wave 3 is over. With this indicator, you will know ahead of time. You will be able to place your trade, place your limit order, place your profit target, and your stop loss. So we see here on September 29 that it had another rally, and then also it will predict a profit target. So what you usually want to do when you trade is have the limit order hopefully sell automatically and make some profit. Remember, trading is all about making more money than you lose. So here the stop loss is calculated precisely to do that. If it hits $164, you will lose money. However, if it hits a profit target, you would make more than what you lose, and the probabilities are definitely in your favor. Now, we're going to see here with Facebook, it predicted a profit target of $196.72, which is right about where the sell signal came. So on September 29th, it predicted what was going to happen on February 2nd of the next year. It's really nice to trade with different windows. In this case, we use the weekly chart, and then the simulator just ended. As you can see, the indicator is very, very efficient. It generates a tremendous amount of money. As you can see, it defeated pretty much every single other system by a big amount. And then we're going to see just how good this indicator is. If we check it, we're going to see the one that had the highest profit, and that would be General Electric, Netflix. So for example, we're going to check Netflix. We're going to see that equity curve. It's a beautiful indicator. There's a tremendous amount of work. We're happy, we're proud of the work that's been done. This indicator can absolutely help you make some good money. Therefore, we highly recommend that you start trading with this indicator. It's been took a tremendous amount of work. As you can see, pretty much it had profit in every single stock in the S&P 100, and we're tremendously happy with everything that was accomplished with this indicator. Thank you so much.